This brand is made in the USA and features compact units that are backed by a good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The brand is only sold and installed by factory authorized dealers. The LRP14HP is a basic heat pump with a durable scroll compressor, a 13.4 SEER2 cooling efficiency, and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency rating. They have louvered metal panels to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage due to hail or lawnmower debris, which is superior to slotted panels or wire mesh. The units are relatively loud in operation with a noise rating of 76 decibels, and they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R32. The LRP16HP units are premium heat pumps with a two-stage compressor, a 15.2 SEER2 cooling efficiency, a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, and a noise rating of 71 decibels. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.